Howdy, I'm Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making Au Jus de Champignons. That's a fancy way of saying mushroom broth. So hop on board and let's get cooking. Place a saucepan on medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon vegetable broth, and once heated, add 1/2 cup chopped onions. Cook until the onions become brown and translucent, adding water if needed. Add 1 tablespoon Bragg seasoning, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, and 3 bruised and peeled garlic cloves. Stir to combine, adding water if needed. Add 2 cups chopped mushrooms, 1 teaspoon dried mushroom powder, 1/4 teaspoon spike seasoning. Stir, add a little water if needed. Let mushrooms cook until they brown and the excess liquid starts to cook off. Add 2.5 cups water, 1/2 cup white wine, and freshly ground black pepper. Once it's reduced by 1/4, strain out the mushrooms and you have about 2 cups of beautiful, delicious broth. Save the mushrooms to use later in soups, stir fries, or on pasta. This mushroom elixir is a flavor adventure that turns the ordinary into extraordinary. If you like what we cooked today, stir up that like button and subscribe so you can be the first to see new recipes.